Welcome students. Now we will see chapter 3rd, that is ecosystem and biodiversity. Question number 1 is the death of last individual species is called extinction. Question number 2 is a popular form of ecosystem is bird watching. Question number 3 is the area has no permanent road on settlement and is maintained primarily for its primitive character and non-motorized recreation. It is called wilderness area. Question number 4 is the book list containing a record of threatened species. It is known as red data book. Question number 5 is Amrita Devi Bishnoi sacrificed her life for protection of khejuri trees. Question number 6 is species with very limited distribution over relatively small locality. It is called endangered species. Then question number 7 is first national park established in India is Jim Corbett National Park. Eighth question is which of the following is an endemic species found in Western Ghats of India, that is brown palm civet. Question number 9 is quinine is the drug that is used in the treatment of malaria. It is an example of benefit of biodiversity. Question number 10 is the shape of pyramid of biomass for a pond or any aquatic ecosystem is inverted. Question number 11 is Tadoba National Park. It is in Maharashtra. Question number 12 is island is an example of ocean ecosystem. 13th question is the reason for certain animals getting endangered, that is hunting, pollution of environment and natural calamities. Question number 14 is decomposers help to send nutrients to producer. Question number 15 is the plant which blooms when the light duration is more than 12 hours per day. It is known as long day plants. Question number 16 is the global zoo ecoregions is a system derived to conserve biodiversity. Which of the following has taken this initiative? The World Wildlife Fund. Question number 17 is biological diversity is declining day by day due to hunting, smuggling of animals and deforestation. Question number 18 is which among the following always decrease in a food chain across tropic level, that is energy. 19th question is about 1 million species are found in a tropical forest alone. Question number 20 is the number of species in ecological communities are known as species richness. Question number 21 is the graphical representation of the interrelation of producer and consumer in an ecosystem is termed as ecological pyramid. Question number 22 is biome above 10,000 feet, it is alpine. Question number 23 is community of living organism is a part of ecosystem. 24th question is Helen National Park, it is established in 1935, was renamed was Jim Corbett National Park. Question number 25 is which is false about biodiversity, that is it does not contain microbes, it is false statement. Then question number 26 is alpha biodiversity. It is the number of species found in particular area or ecosystem. Question number 27 is the science of system of control in an ecosystem. It is known as cybernetic. 28th question is which of the following statement is correct? India is 7th largest country with mega diversity is correct statement, and India is 3rd largest country in Asia with mega diversity. This is also correct statement. Question number 29 is the historical convention on biological diversity held in Rio de Janeiro in 1992. It is known as the Earth Summit. Now chapter 4th, that is environmental pollution. Poor sanitation affect quality of water resources. Then next question is the term municipal solid waste, that is MSW, is generally used to describe waste from private homes, commercial establishment and institutions. Question number 3 is oxygen is returned to the atmosphere by photosynthesis. Question number 4 is which of the following Major players in phosphorus cycle, that is fish and marine birds. Question number 5 is smog is combination of smoke and fog. Question number 6 is which of the following can prevent soil pollution? Reforesting, applying biofertilizers and manures, and solid waste treatment. All. Question number 7 is an accidental discharge of petroleum in ocean. It is known as oil spill. Question number 8 is effect of air pollution are smog, acid rain and haze. Question number 9 is dairy farming, livestock breeding and horticulture lead to what kind of waste? It leads to agricultural waste. The next is open drains are aesthetically unpleasant, lead to mosquito breeding and cause bad smell. Then which of the following is a source of household noise? Mixer, loudspeaker and washing machine all. Question number 12 is which of the following air pollution control devices are suitable for removing the finest dust from air, that is electrostatic precipitator. Question number 13 is the disease cholera, typhoid and jaundice are due to pollution of water. 14th question is use of fossil fuels leads to air pollution. Then question number 15 is landfilling is measure of disposal of solid waste. Question number 16 is smog, it is a secondary air pollutant. Question number 17 is VOC, it is stand for volatile organic compound. Question number 18 is why does Greenpeace oppose the use of nuclear power? It is because it releases harmful radiation. Then question number 19 is which metal cause harmful effects? That is lead, uranium and cobalt. Question number 20 is burning of fossil fuel causes increased greenhouse gases. Question number 21 is storage of germs plasma at ultra low temperature. It is known as cryopreservation. Question number 22 is natural cause of air pollution is forest fires, volcanoes and dust storms. Question number 23 is introduction of dangerous chemicals into ground is due to industrial waste disposal. Question number 24 is water contaminated by cadmium can cause Menemata disease. Question number 25 is as per potable water standard, pH of drinking water lies in the range 6.5 to 8.5. Question number 26 is the Noise Act 1996 states that the loud music from a party should either be turned off or reduced by 10 pm. Question number 27 is air pollutant are in the form of solid particles and liquid droplets both. Then question number 28 is eutrophication is often seen in freshwater lakes. Question number 29 is which of the following is an effect of excessive use of pesticide, that is loss of soil fertility and erosion. Question number 30 is cotton does produce lung fibers is also called as bicinopsis. Question number 31 is hardness of water is due to presence of calcium and magnesium, chlorides, sulfates and carbonates. That is all. Then question number 32 is which of the following is not air pollution control equipment, that is cyclone separator. Question number 33 is as per National Ambient Air Quality Standard, the concentration of particulate matter in industrial areas should remain 10 microgram per cubic meter. Question number 34 is the control over air pollution in India is supported by which of the following act, that is Environmental Pollution Control Act. Question number 35 is in cryopreservation storage if germs plasma at ultra low temperature is preserved, that ultra low temperature is minus 196 degrees Celsius. 36 is the least fair method of solid waste management is disposal. 37 question is peroxyl acetyl nitrate, that is PAN, is formed in the reaction of primary pollutant and release hydrocarbon. Thank you.